Hi, a huge welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today we're making a white chocolate ganache. We made the milk chocolate ganache a couple of days ago on the channel, which we used for that wonderful Malteser cake. If you didn't see that, check it out. Today we're making the white chocolate ganache. It's a tiny bit different, the recipe, but it's still very simple to make. The slight difference with the white chocolate ganache is we've got the 225 gram, that's 8 ounce packet of white chocolate. And because white chocolate isn't really a proper chocolate, I'm just going to cut the top off of this. We're using slightly different ratios. So I'm going to actually use 6 ounces, which is about 170 grams. I'm going to zero my scales and I'm going to add in thick cream about 2 ounces. So you'll see for a white chocolate ganache, we're using slightly less cream. It's about 1/3 cream to chocolate. Same as with the regular chocolate ganache, you can either heat this in a double boiler on the stove, a little bit of water in a saucepan, or you can take this and just blast it in the microwave for 15 to 30 seconds at a time. Don't overheat it, it will burn very easily. After only 30 seconds, it looks as if the chocolate actually hasn't melted, but the warmth of the cream will actually melt those little chocolate buttons down. And I'm going to mix this fairly vigorously until we get a beautiful, smooth, silky ganache. Now, don't be tempted to overheat this in the microwave. White chocolate burns very easily. What you need to do now is set this in the fridge, and as it chills down, it'll become a little bit whiter. It will also become very firm. If you want to use this for a crumb coat on a cake, then you're going to need to warm it a little bit. I really do like to blend this one up. Just get a whisk in there and whisk it for a little while so that it becomes a lighter shade of ganache, and then it makes really great piping if you want to use it on top of cupcakes. It also tastes delicious. So there it is, very simple to make, white chocolate ganache. Check out that Malteser cake recipe we did last weekend or recently on the channel, and lots of other great cakes. I'll leave some links up here to the cakes on Steve's Kitchen. Be good, and I will see you very shortly for another great episode of Steve's Kitchen. Don't forget, subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified. Take care.